I hate ads. You might hear this and think, yeah, we all do, but no, I despise them. I probably hate ads as much as Kendrick hates Drake.
Now let me say I'm the biggest hater. I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk.
So this year, we started an absolute war against all ads. In the first mission of our campaign, we tackled how to remove them while you're listening to music and watching videos. But that still leaves the rest of the internet. It leaves pop-up ads, banner ads, those auto-playing video ads with the volume cranked up, sticky ads that follow you down the page, redirects, those fake download here buttons, the ads with a fake microscopic X to close them that actually just opens another tab, in-app ads, and much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to block almost all of these ads for free. And for those of you who want to go nuclear, I will show you how to block all of them for just $3 a month. Let's get into it. All ads on the internet mostly work the same way. Basically, the website developer places a script like this at the top of their website code. This script is designed to run first before anything else loads. So the website loads ads before it loads content. They then use cookies and trackers to record your activities on the website and save them. That way, when you go to the next website, the ads can follow you. If you somehow manage to block this script, maybe using a Chrome extension that blocks advertisements, URLs, they change their CNAME records to disguise themselves as something else. That way, even if you block them on the website, they will still be there when you visit the website tomorrow. Now take a moment to imagine, what if there was a browser with ad blockers built directly into its engine to prevent all this nonsense? Perhaps a Chromium-based browser that is privacy focused, uses less RAM, and is 6 times faster than Chrome. One with an orange logo with an animal as its mascot. No, I'm not talking about you, Firefox. I'm talking about Brave browser. Yep, Brave browser is free and offers a level of protection from ads that makes advertisers cower in their offices. Brave Shields basically blocks any and all ad-related requests at the browser level before they even reach your network. It then uses cosmic filtering to remove all the empty spaces left behind by the missing ads. In addition to that, it blocks all third-party cookies and trackers. That way, you get no cross-site ads. And if that's still not enough, you can change the mode from default to aggressive mode. This basically tells the browser's ad blockers to go into overdrive and go scorched earth on all ads on any website you visit. To try it for yourself, you can simply Google Brave download. Download and install Brave on your operating system. It's available on all of them. To enable aggressive mode, go to the search bar here and type Brave Settings Shields. In here, change this to aggressive mode and then change your connection to strict here. Also check this one down here. This will basically wipe all the cookies as soon as you leave a website. All of this should be enough to handle those ads and more, but some of them are stubborn, so you might want to hit the nuclear button and wipe all of them too. For those of you who are like me and want to do this, then you'll need $3. Before you protest, relax. You can try this method for free before you make a decision to buy. If you watched my last video, then you know what I'm talking about is Scribe VPN. Basically, all you need to do is download and install it, open it, and connect. Once you're connected, go to the settings and click on Robert here. Robert is a menace. It basically allows you to block any ads at the DNS level across all devices. This goes one level deeper than Brave browser because instead of blocking ads and trackers at the browser level, we block it at the DNS level. This means that even if you're using an app and not a browser, the ads simply won't reach you. In addition to that, Robert allows you to block malware, social media networks, crazy things like con, all gambling sites, gambling is haram, don't do it, clickbait, and cryptocurrency websites. You can use the custom feature here to add anything else you want to block. I like to block WhatsApp when I let other people use my laptop so that they are not able to read my texts. Windscribe will give you 10 gigabytes for free, but once you finish that, you can simply click on upgrade here, then build your own plan. You can build a $3 plan like me. This basically lets you choose 3 VPN location and allows you to use all the other features. I personally use it to block ads and use school Wi-Fi to do whatever I want. Brave browser and Windscribe VPN have been a deadly combination for me. I haven't seen an ad in ages. This has been awesome because honestly, I'm afraid of ads because I swear most of these ads are designed to give you seizures. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.